Okay guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Daisy, and you already know my love of my life. Chicken, come here. I thought I would do a quick bubble butt workout because I get so many questions about it, what I can do from home, especially during quarantine. So these are some of my favorite exercises that I personally do just to make my booty extra round. Like, kind of show you, just like a nice round bubble butt. And I'll put in some of my like before and after pictures just so you guys know that like I've definitely started from a flat butt too. Also, it's very important to know that everyone's body is different. This is personally just what I've done to help shape my butt the way I want it to. It's also very important to remember to always love your body no matter what. Flat booties are cute too, so don't feel bad about it. But if you want a bigger butt, then follow this workout. Also, you guys, if you feel any sort of sharp pain, make sure you stop. You know your body best. You know what like a good workout feels like versus something that's actually painful. So just make sure you listen to your body. Okay, so the first exercise that we're gonna do is donkey kicks. So we're gonna do 15 full reps and then 15 half reps, so pulses. Okay guys, so what you do is you get on your hands and knees and you lift up one leg and make sure your heel is pointed towards the ceiling, and you're gonna push all the way up and you're gonna squeeze your glutes as hard as you can. And go up and then do that 15 times. Now you're gonna do 15 pulses. So you're gonna start right here and then go up, then stop there and then go up. All right, and now you're gonna do the next side. Okay, now you're gonna do 15 pulses. The next exercise is fire hydrant. So you're gonna do 15 full fire hydrants and then 15 pulses. Then you're gonna do your pulses. The pulses is where you like really feel the burn, and you want to make sure that you're squeezing your butt the entire time, because that's how you get the most out of it. And once you've done that side, do the other. Okay, so the next exercise that you're gonna do is 15 rainbow kicks. And how you do this is you get on your hands and knees like this, and you bring the outer leg out here, and then you do almost like a little half circle, like a rainbow, and then to the other side. And you wanna make sure that you're squeezing your butt the entire time. Then you're gonna do 15. rest, and then we can get back into it. Okay, so the next one I'm going to do are side leg circles, and I'm going to do this for 30 seconds on each leg, and this one is really good for giving you nice round hips. So all you do is you lay on your side, and I like to prop up my head with my hands, and you take your leg and you bring it up, and then you just make big circles. And directly after that, you're gonna go into tiny leg circles, so about the size of a tennis ball, and you're gonna do that for 30 seconds as well. Directly after that, you're going to go into side fire hydrants, and you're going to bring your knees up probably about like hip line, and then you're going to take your top leg and then go up as far as you can without rotating your hips. And make sure you really squeeze your glutes. And you're going to do that for 30 seconds as well. Go directly into leg circles, but with your knee bent, so bent knee circles. And you're going to do this for 30 seconds. have for you today, my hips and my butt are burning so bad, so that's a good sign that for me, I've been working out for years now, so that even burns my butt. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you want more fitness-based workouts, let me know in the comments below. Also, if you want to see more of a full workout, you can check out my workout plans on keechpeach.com. I also have some meal plans that are designed for like keeping a small waist and having your booty be big at the same time. So definitely don't forget to go check that out in the link in the description box below. Anyways, I love you guys so much. Don't forget to check me out on my socials, and goodbye.